Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and today I have a whole house cleaning motivation video for you. I wanted to start in my bathroom this time because it was a little bit more cluttered than normal. I had a little bit more to tidy up in there because I had given myself a little pedicure, some self-care. Us mamas sometimes need to take some time out for ourselves. So I had to put that away, and I also wanted to do a deeper clean on my tub. That's why I am pouring the bleach in there. I'm going to let that fill up and cover the jets so that I can run it through the jets to get out any kind of gunky stuff that might be lurking in there.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me. In bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up, do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your
I went ahead and started the jets up so that the bleach can run a cycle through those, and I'm just going to go ahead and continue to clean other parts of my bathroom before getting in and really scrubbing my tub.
treat you like you're heaven. Thought that I knew better. Keep falling for your innocence, acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is
I use that scrubber that I'm using right now, and I fill it with Dawn and vinegar, and I kind of keep that in the shower, and every day I kind of give it a little scrub. That way there's no scum that builds up or any gross stuff lurking. It's just easier to daily clean it than it is to let it build up and then have to really scrub when you want to do a deep clean. I am using this mold and mildew remover in this spot right in front of my tub because that's where a lot of the water comes out when I'm getting in and out of the tub. So I just want to make sure that I am cleaning that and making sure there's nothing kind of icky growing there.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me.
I don't want to disturb the pug with our cleaning, so I'm just going to let him sleep, and I will make the bed in a little bit, but I'm just going to do everything I can around the bed until I can get him to move.
Don't you go to my head, cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into in this gamble. Pull me towards you, and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
Little spot underneath our banister always bugs me because it collects animal hair and dust, and I just keep walking by it, and every time I'm like, I need to clean that, I need to clean that. Well, today was the day that I got it cleaned.
Saw you glance, your everlasting light. Met your eyes, razor sharp, cut right through the crowd. I don't even want to know your name. I just wanna keep you to myself. Stay with me or leave me be. I want you all too bad. We're strangers in the night. We're in a strange delight. Come with me, and you will see we are bound to be strangers in the night.
I think that my bathroom was worse than the kids' bathroom this time.
Walk the walk, talk the talk, get me through the maze. Dazzled eyes shining bright, a never-ending space. I don't even want to know your name. I just wanna keep you to myself. Stay with me or leave me be. I want you all too bad. We're strangers in the night. We're in a strange delight. Come with me, and you will see we are bound to be strangers in the night.
If you had seen my previous video, you would have seen that I had another dining table. I moved that into the garage so I could work on refinishing it. And so my to-do list has actually started piling up. I need to repaint this hutch. I need to redo that new dining table. I have another table that my mother-in-law gave me in the living room that I'm going to be redoing, and another little side table that I need to my list is piling up, and I don't know where I'm going to get the time, but it's always fun to do little projects. I will be doing those over on my Jessie on the Go channel. I will link that up in the corner. I also have a travel vlog from where I went camping. If you guys are curious, I will link that up in the corner as well, so you guys can check that out if you want to.
But still I find myself calling in the middle of the night, and there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. You got my heartstrings
It seems lately that my kitchen is always a wreck, always piled up. We are entering the busy time of the year. It is the last few weeks before school is over, and I'm still trying to catch up on laundry from camping. It's just never ending. You guys know laundry is just ridiculous.
Waiting for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. Perfectly opposite. We're perfectly opposite. Perfectly opposite. We're perfectly opposite. And there is nothing I can do. I am madly drawn to you. I know you feel the same. Feel the same. Oh, there's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating.
My stove is always a hot mess, especially when my kids are trying to learn how to cook. I love them like exploring and learning how to do new things, but they always overboil. But that is kind of a problem with this model of stove that was in the reviews, that it gets very hot and overboiling is common. So I'm always and forever trying to clean up my stove.
It's on your shoulders and you feel like falling over. Just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. I could stay awake till the night is through with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Do it on repeat. The night is young. It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel.
I always try to get my Sammy love as much as I can, but he was not having it today. He was like, girl, get off me.
I'm not pretending. mad woman, mad woman, mad woman, calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind, how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I am not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman, calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
I want to thank you so much for tuning in, and hopefully you got some cleaning motivation from this. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. I make cleaning motivation videos weekly, so there is always plenty of tips and tricks and motivation for you guys to get here on my channel.
Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling.